Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Finelo AI Chart Analyzer step by step in a simple way so you can read charts, trends, and predictions easily. First, open your Finelo AI and log in to your account. Once inside, locate the Chart Analyzer dashboard on the left panel. Now upload your data file or connect a live market source. Finelo AI will automatically scan your data and convert it into easy to read charts like candlestick, line, or bar formats. Next, choose the chart type from the analyzer options. You can compare trends, spot patterns, or analyze price movements using built in AI suggestions that help simplify complex data. Then customize your visualization by adjusting timeframes, indicators, and overlays. You can zoom in or out to get detailed insights or a broader market view. Finally, review your generated chart. Finelo AI provides predictions, signals, and summaries so you can make better trading or analysis decisions in seconds. Always double check your data inputs for accuracy before relying on AI insights and experiment with different chart modes to improve your understanding of market behavior. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe and comment what feature of Finelo you want explained next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.